Oh, I still recording. Could you please like? Oh, people, it's so cool here. Like the trees. Everyone, we're now heading out from the station called Szklarska Poręba, and now we're heading out to our Airbnb. It is expected not that long, but let's see. How is it, everyone?
It's cold.
Yongtae, you don't use boots and you don't have gloves on. We're just arrived here. We are heading to our Airbnb. It's somewhere there.
I want to walk here.
Yay!
Yay.
Yay! I'm using my faculty cap now. I just bought it yesterday. Ooh. Find the location of our Airbnb, which is we still have no idea yet where is it, but it's somewhere close, somewhere nearby. So is it the one?
It's somewhere here. It's two. Okay, it's this. But then 2/1. So it should be somewhere here.
In the back of this building.
Maybe.
So now we're having some difficulties to find the building. Should be somewhere here. I don't know. I'm just wandering around. Have you guys found it? So it turned out our room is not opening, and we don't know why. We tried to call the lady, but there's no answer yet. So we decided to going around the town and just looking around. Finally, we made it to our Airbnb. So this is the lobby, and this is Yongtae and Lani's room. Their room. Hello guys. Next one is the bathroom. Could you please describe something?
It's really good for the price that we pay.
Yeah. How much we pay?
40 less than 300.
Exactly. And this is the kitchen. Microwave, I suppose. The refrigerator. And then this is our stove. And then this is the dishwasher. So we have coffee machine here. And there is a big TV here. And last but not least, this is our room. This is Kyung's bed, this is my bed, and this is the view. So yeah, everyone, that's kind of it, I guess. See you very, very soon. Probably tonight we're going to have something to eat. Bye-bye. Hi guys, so we are looking for something to eat for dinner. Quite snowing here. Ooh. Let's run! Run! Let's run! Oh, it's so cold. So we cannot find any Polish authentic meal nearby, and it is heavy snow outside, so we cannot really going around to find some Polish authentic food. We're ordering pizza now and some spaghetti. We have the pasta and pizza, wine.
I have lemon tea.
And then
milk.
Water. I am your pizza guy. Udah pakai topi lan, udah kayak pizza guy beneran ya. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, I just woke up and do things, and now I'm making a cup of tea. Hello everyone. Morning here in Szklarska. Now we're preparing to go to the mountain. So I'll bring my bag and my water and my stuff. Here's Lani. Hi Lani.
Hi.
Hi Kyung. Are you ready?
Yep.
And now we're heading out. Here's Lani opening the door. Good morning. Hey. It's currently 6 below zero or 8 below zero or something. And we're looking for breakfast. Hi, Young Tae.
Hi.
Are you ready for today's trip?
Yes.
Yay.
Where is this the right way?
There's the river. So we finally made it up here to the cable car station, which will take us there to the top of the mountain. How do you feel?
I need to catch my breath.
We are now having our breakfast here in the station. Just ended. We have our ticket now here. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Is it? Yeah. Okay. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, people, it's so cool here. Like the trees. Wow. How do you feel, Kim?
Yeah. It feels like, I don't know, like flying in the snow.
Yeah, playing in the snow. It's freezing cold now.
Yeah, it's getting colder and colder.
Okay. God damn, how was it, guys? Yeah. Like, I can't even. Oh,
And look, Young Tae. She doesn't wear any clothes.
that's what I'm talking about. How could you survive? My.
I'm becoming a Olaf.
Let's go. Guys, I'm freezing like that, freezing up. But people just managed to not. Oh, you guys. Be careful here, guys. Are you okay, Young Tae?
Yeah. Really.
Another cable car.
Can we climb here?
Yeah, to the top. Alright.
Numer 1 gdzie?
Sorry?
Numer 1. A?
Yeah.
1, tak?
Bye. Okay, I don't know what does that mean. See, guys, like all the what is it? The seats are like dead freezing. See? Do you see that? Okay, guys, we are nearly to the top. Like all white and snow. Like I don't know why, and the view there. Like you can see the whole city or the whole Poland. No, it's too much. Anyways. Whoa, how is it, Ra?
It's just amazing.
Indeed, like, okay, there. Whoa, and we're falling down now. So hi guys, we managed to get to the top. Oh shit, like this is so freaking freezing. How is it so far, guys?
I'm freezing. That's all.
So there is a shelter there, and we're planning to go there to grab some drink or something. The point is we need like somewhere warm. Look at the view, like amazing. So we're already here. We managed to get here, but you should know that I cannot feel my face. It's like all numb, and my lips. I can't even feel like this area of my face. Okay. are heading back. We're heading back down. But right now, in this back session, we are not going to take the cable car. Instead, we're going to walk down and let's see what's up. Ini beneran slippery, so. There you go. Oh, okay. Thanks.
I'm a crazy woman. So.
Indeed, you are a strong woman. Let's go. Here's our situation now. Oh my god. The view is just amazing. We're from way up there, from the top, and now we're here. And yeah, it's only 4 of us here. Yeah. This is just too amazing.
I know, right?
Yeah, like the sun is there, the snow is sparkling, and the weather is just right. It is not too cold right now. And the view. And there's Lani. Waterfall Odiseo. Here's the scenery. On way back, like we pet a lot of dogs because people here coming with their dogs, while skiing or hiking and so on, and it's very, very cute. The view there. Wow. So we already in the one of our stop, which is the waterfall. So they said that this waterfall is one of the place that Narnia shoot for their movie. So here it is. Hi. This is how it looks. Wow. We're done with the mountain and now we're going back to our Airbnb. Our train will be like 4 something, like almost 5, and it's now currently like 3, right? After this, we're going to head to our Airbnb, and then after that, we're going to find something to eat. Look at the village. Beautiful. Hey guys, now I'm currently looking for Polish food. So I found a place like this called like, they talked to me in Polish, and then I got the food. So yeah, that's what's important. Now I have to catch up the train. Our train here. So yeah, let's go. Okay, goodbye Szklarska Poręba Górna. It's time for us to go back to Poznan.
Actually, faster that we go home.
Really?
Go back to the ski arena.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Wait, let's take a selfie together.
Yeah.
How? Like this? Or where? Or someone's car?
Or maybe.
Oh wait, I still recording. Could you please like?
Okay, yeah. Stop, right?
Right then. Thank you, Kyung. Bye, Young Ted.